Good. A couple more breaths. Yeah, you're gonna feel a little pressure here, okay? I gotcha. Nice and light. We're just gonna glide right into it. Whoa, that was good. How long have you been having your low back issue?
About 6 years,
Yeah, so
and
quite
it
a bit.
worsened after August, after my car accident.
If we can help that a little bit more by giving you some space in the feet. There you go. It's like you're holding on to all this weight. Good. Whoa. Big nudge. There you go. Look at that.
I'm smiling while I make you feel better.
I don't feel so heavy.
How does this feel compared to the first time you did it?
Oh, I did
So different?
not.
Yeah.
No.
Now you're dancing. Look at that. What a difference. Looks like you're feeling good.
It feels amazing.
That's so good.